Hi, I'm Max Mishakov and this is my singing tutorials channel. Today I will be explaining how to breathe and how to exhale. This topic is discussed in the very first lessons, so normally it's for beginners, but maybe many of you will find something new for yourself. So how to breathe and how to exhale when you're singing. The first thing you need to know it should be done automatically. You don't have to think about it too much. Don't overthink it. The more you think about breathing, the less natural it is. So you should only change it when it's wrong. But if it's right, try to not think about it too much. Okay? So what is wrong breathing and what is right breathing? The main thing is that we have our normal and natural breathing, like what we do when we are talking. So when we talk, we breathe natural enough, and this kind of breathing is good for singing. What we do when we are about to jump into water, we breathe like this and then we jump into water. So when we sing, we don't need this. We only need our natural, normal inhaling. That's only what we need. What else can I say? When we breathe, if our belly is relaxed, the air at first fills our bottom of the lungs, and then it fills the upper part. So we don't need the upper parts to be filled, because when we breathe normally every day, we only breathe with the lower part, especially men. I will talk about this later. We use the upper part of our lungs only when we are about to jump into water, for example. Like this. But we only need to use our lower part of our lungs. Okay? So what is the right way to breathe, to inhale? Relax your belly. Inhale the same way like if you're about to fall asleep, or you're sitting with your iPad or in front of the TV. You're sitting on a chair or on a armchair and you're about to sleep like this. Like this. Then this relaxed way is the best way to inhale when you're singing. The next way to think about it is, for example, you have been running, but now you're having a phone talk, and you don't want your listener to find out that you have been running, and you breathe like this. Hello. Yeah. So this careful breathing also involves the lower part of your lungs. So involving lower part of your lungs, it means just breathing normally and naturally, like you do when you talk or when you're about to fall asleep. And also, many coaches say that you have to pull out your belly and take a breath into your belly like a pregnant woman, but I will tell you it's bullshit. Because this creates innaturality. This is unnatural, and this creates unnatural sound. Then the more natural, the better. And first of all, the air we have to breathe 360 degrees, not only forward, but 360 forward, here, and also back. So we feel like it 360 degrees over here, everywhere. But again, don't think about it too much. And I will say it again. The wrong way to breathe is just when you're about to jump into water, like so if you feel like you're breathing like that when you sing, just stop doing that and try to relax, okay? And a few words about men and women. All the children breathe with their lower part, with their belly. When we grew up, men continue breathing with the lower part, with our belly, but women start breathing more with the upper part, with their chest, because they have to free some space for their future child in this belly area. So that's why women breathe more with the chest. That's why women have to pay more attention to breathing when they sing. But the rule is for everyone. We have to use the lower part of our lungs to breathe when we sing. Otherwise, we will have strain, we will have problems when we sing. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos.